Alright guys, we're gonna test out our DT02. We just upgraded the motor to an Orbits brushed, and we're gonna use our URGENEX 50C, and it's gonna be on a hobby wing. This is just a quick shakedown. We're gonna be running this car later in a CW01 Creations speed run challenge. So I want to make sure the gearing is everything is all right before I go out, because that'd be a big waste of time. So yeah, so let's get her on the track and see how she does. Looks like I'm missing a clip. Let me grab the controller. We'll get her. We'll be right out. So we're using a Hobby Wing 1060 retail, not the one that comes with these cars. And I've got my Dumbo. Looks like my steering is backwards. Get her all set up real quick, and then we'll get on the track. All right. Now one-handed, so don't expect a whole lot. We did a couple changes to the track over a couple days. Got done tearing Mom's old pool down at her old house. Got a couple more pieces of carpet. We started building the other side of the deck. Maybe I'll show you that a little later, but right now we're running this car. Get my hands situated. So, like I was saying, the upgrades we got, this is just a shakedown. So far, it seems nice and tight. So the upgrades we got for this so far are CVA shocks, because this wasn't ready to run. We got from a Buy special. We got CVA shocks, we got Winter's Evening Barons, and this is an URGENEX 2S Hobby Wing 1060 retail, and an Orbits 2. Not sure anything about that. Came in one of my Buy cars, but she's running good all over the place a little bit. Good on the carpet. You can see I changed the wall a little bit, moved some carpets around here. How would the heck get this out of the way? It'll just be a quick clip. This won't be a long one. And then I'll top off the battery. So I'm going to try and get the larger 5200 2S from URGENEX on there, but this is just a smaller 2200. That's a 50C rather than a 70C. So we'll get a better speed, hopefully. We'll see. We'll see how well it works. I'm not even pushing the shit. How do I do this? How do I do this? Oh, my garbage. I gotta clean off the track. Ooh, that was nice. But hopefully you guys dig. She's doing good. We'll get it out tonight, so hopefully you'll see a speed run real soon. Upgrade went well. CVA's handles real good. I'll get my head cam on for the later. Maybe I'll do a night run with her too. We'll also get our DT02 out as soon as possible. My plan is to do a night run. I got some lights for it, so, and I found a couple places that are probably pretty good at night. Worst case, I'll do it on my road. That'll be a 2 in the morning thing. My road's always busy. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. This is the DT02 Desert Gator. Fully popped up, ready to do some speed runs. So like and subscribe. Trying to do something cool, it ain't working, guys. One-handed driving sucks. There we go. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. That too. I'll see you guys. Bye.